Kijana ni wa East. Maikue. Yo, this is the Kenyan hexagon. And we are looking at hex currently. This is the outlook for hex currently, and you are able now to see the current price, how the market has been. Market imekuwa ikipanda kutoka chini mpaka juu hadi mahali imefika hapa, yeah. So this is the current market for hex. It is standing at 0.20419. So hii ni hex, na basically these analytics zina show how price imekuwa ikiperform kutoka hii point hapa hivi chini kwenda juu, but then you can see from that bottom it has made 5 or 9.55%, yeah, since the measured hex bottom, yeah. So hii ni linear scale. Hii ni ya kushow by the time itakuja ifike hapa 10,000 times, yeah, it will be tracking like from that low, and from that low so far you can see it is 6.16 times, and that's why we usually say on a double, 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 in a bubble, in a bubble, in a bubble. Now the next chart we'll be looking at is the actually this is the price. This is the price performance for hex. Actually this is the asset and your asset, and you can see we are looking at that at 1 week, the weekly time frame here. So you can see the price moved up. It has been consolidating around this area, but then it broke out at this area here, where price has been going down for almost 11 months, yeah. And now currently we have this this area where prices pumped up to almost that is 596.92% from this bottom up to this point. And then you can see in the current price where price is at 0.2041775. That is the current price right now. So currently you can see this channel where price imekuwa ikishuka up to this point, and you can see this was the bottom. Again, this was the support, and you can see now price after breaking out of it but then closing above it, price has gone up, yeah. So vividly we can be able now to see what happened here, but then you can see now in the weekly time frame price has moved, and saizi imeshafika to this resistance zone here, and that's why now we are tracking this price on a daily. Okay, yeah. Again, this is a Kenyan hexagon. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, yeah. Let's go to the daily. The daily chart looks like this. Hii chart inakaa hivi. Yeah. So this is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame for hex. You can see the chart is looking very clean. This was the low that we were looking at, but then you can be able now to see how this trend line is tracking that price. Actually, in case it reaches at this point, before it reaches at this point, price has to come almost to this zone here, which is a previous support around this area. But then now again, if you will be able now to remember, you can see this line, this white line. It was our previous channel with this lower line here. So these two are very parallel, and they are they are depicting how price reacts around those areas. So you can see actually it has broken out of, and this is a retest. So currently we are seeing this like the bull run for this week is in. So let's see how much price is going to pump from that, and we are going to see that reaction live. Okay, yeah. So that is what we are looking at. That is hex, the chart that you are looking at, and you can see currently it is up 5 or 5 62% from that bottom to the current price where it is. So it is still not, you can see it has still not gone up, not fully retested this higher high here around 0.20450. Yeah, so that is hex. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.